Okay guys, a quick one. And here, I'll detail how to change language on Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to change your language on the Samsung Galaxy device, then here's a video for you. So if you don't know this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, changing your language on Samsung Galaxy device is straightforward and this is different from changing your region. Changing your language won't change your region on your device. So if you are concerned about changing your language on your Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Once upon the settings, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to general management. So scroll down to the bottom and I should say general management here. Click on that. Now, once you selected general management here, you should see language. Now go ahead and click on that. Then if you want to change your language on your Samsung phone, just select the language you want to change to. Then once you selected the language you want to change to, click on apply. Then hang on why this language is applied. You see that? So I've successfully changed my language. So if you want to change it to another language, click on apply again. However, if your preferred language is missing from the list of languages available here that you would love to change to on your Samsung phone, all you just need to do is click on add language. Once you click on add language, you want to search through the language list and see if your language is available. So if your language is available on the list, what you just need to do is quite simple. Just go ahead, locate language you want to change to, click on it. Then you have standard or whole region. So if you select all region, then you're gonna see what that says keep current or set as default. Then go ahead, click on set as default. Then the language here is gonna change to the newly selected language, as you can see. So that is basically how to change language on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.